Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Tesla, TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very crazy day on this one, and really kind of a case of deja vu because the levels that I've talked about and been focused on in past videos completely played out today, led to some nice profitable trade opportunities, but now they're once again right back to being levels that stand out. So what do I mean in case you haven't watched the past videos? Well, one of the levels I talked about previously was $430 as a resistance represented there by that red line. And you can see that this morning, the price had a big old spike. And now did it hit it exactly at 430? No, but as you can see right there, it definitely got within the general vicinity of it before going back down to that green line there, which was another level that I talked about right around the 402 mark. And after that level failed, you can see that a huge move to the downside occurred. So from a trading standpoint, a couple of key trades could have, I don't want to say easy, but I mean, it was well defined where trade plans could have been put together around both those levels. And then to be fair though, the price bounced back up, got back above that green line, and then check out that green line. What did it do again? Well, it went right back to acting as support, as you can see right there. So again, going into next week, right around that 402, $400 mark is going to be that first key level, where again, no such thing as a guarantee, but my point is it would be a valid thought to have that if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then breaks to the downside. Am I saying it's going to shoot down below 380 again? I'm not saying that. That was just a crazy move. But I mean, it's a valid thought to have that could very well create some additional, downside selling pressure. So that remains that key level of support. And then on the flip side, every single breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching $430 looking for a breakout to the upside. So again, is it a guarantee of anything? No. Is it a valid and logical thought that if the price were to work its way up there and get the break up through that level, that could create some additional upside buying pressure? Yeah, absolutely. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the levels that I was watching today totally pertain going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.